The project being a large urban regeneration project, it entails, apart from the historic buildings that we're seeking to conserve, that we're also rehabilitating. First of all, in very basic things, that we maintain the public areas of the city, the streets, the public realms, the facades, that we really reinvest in this part of the city. And on the other hand, that we reintroduce contemporary programs that maybe were no longer being placed and reinvested in the city. To be honest, there was a bit of challenges at the start because what was being done was somehow new in a sense, and there was a kind of common understanding that these old buildings, were derelict, that it was a waste of money to reinvest in them. And obviously once the building started having a use, started having a life, started attracting people from other areas of Bahrain, from other areas of the region, that they started, reversing the decline of the city. The impact has been, extremely positive.
There is now a kind of collaboration between formal, informal sectors, private sector, who are all now ignited to do something to preserve and safeguard their own heritage, which is really shows that the inscription had a very positive impact on the community.
الاستثمار هذا النوع من الحرف المحلية وتوظيف الأماكن الأصلية لكي تكون أيضاً مصدراً للاستدامة ولطرق أبواب جديدة للعمل. كذلك الحرف القديمة التي بعض منها كاد يندثر، ربما صناعة أو حياكة الكرار، وهي مهنة أصيلة كادت تندثر، الآن عبر تعليم الجيل الجديد ممارسة هذه المهنة وأيضاً توظيفها لمدخول ومردود.
The nicest and most surprising thing was also the ease in which people really appropriated these spaces, as soon as they were implemented, and it was really beautiful to see because it was somehow as if these spaces had always been there in the city.